What's up guys, this is TechRubber. In this video I'm just going to be showing how you can change the plugin or charging sound of your Android device. Go to Play Store of your Android device, download Plug Sound, install this application to your Android device, then open it. So let's go ahead to wait for it's going to be installed right here on our Android device, and just click on OK, and you will get option by the name of plugin. Go open it and choose any song you just want to use. That's it. I've chosen my song and I'm going to test it. Is it going to work for my plugin sound or not? Let's go ahead to connect our USB cable. Here we go. It was way about how you can change the plugin sound of your Android device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Peace.